Hi everyone, in this video you should learn about the triggers in rkill. So what are the triggers? So what are the main advantage with the triggers? So let me explain very clear here. So trigger, it's a stored plsql block in rkill. It will automatically executed when specific event was happened in the database level. Specific event means it is any row level of operations like insert, update or delete. So this is the basic syntax of how to create a trigger. First, create or replace trigger, it's a trigger name. Before, after, insert, update, delete. What is the meaning of this? Before insert or after insert, same like before update or after update, before delete or after delete on specific table for each row. Why each row means all these operations are each row level operations, and this is the basic plsql block execution begin, and whatever the condition if you want to write you can write here, and it will end with the end statement. So this is the basic trigger syntax in rkill plsql. So let me explain with a simple example. Here I have created one table, select star from emp test. So this is the record in table level, employee number, employee name, salary and department number. So what I will do here, I have created one trigger here on top of insert. So create or replace trigger, this is the trigger name before insert. That means I am trying to perform the operation before inserting. So before insert on table name for each row, this is the condition I have written. Okay, if the new record, I mean what is the purpose of this trigger means, if the user is already existing, it will not allow the same person to the table level. So let me try to run. You can see here 101 and Raj and department number, here it's a 30. So here you can see, if I am trying to insert the same record, it will not allow. You can see here user already existing. What is the main advantage with the trigger means, in this use case, if we are trying to insert any kind of the duplicate data, automatically it will not allow the duplicate value into the table level. This is the advantage with the before insert. So same like we have after insert. If the user is already available, and for example purpose I have created this, everything will be the same, only this will be changed. Instead of before, it will change to the after. So instead of before, it will change to the after. You can write any condition whatever you want to write. Okay, here in this use case, employee number is greater than 10. If I am trying to insert the employee number is greater than 10, you can see here, yeah, user value is not allowed. You can see here, based on the condition, you can see here user value is not allowed. Whatever the condition you have written, automatically it will rise an exceptional error in this use case. So same like before update, everything will be the same. So if I am trying to update the record from old record to the new record, automatically it will rise an exception error. You can see here, I am trying to update a table. Here you can see updating employees is not allowed from 30 to 10, because in the table level the record is available already 30. Let me run this, I'll show you. Yeah, previously it's a 30. So if I am trying to update the department number count, that means a department number value, it will not allowing. So this is about before update. So same like if I am trying to delete the records or delete the table, so automatically this exception will be occurred. That means it will rise this exception value. You can see here, delete from table name, deleting employees is not allowed. You can see here. So these all are the main advantage with the triggers. So and how we can drop the triggers. Before that, I'll show you how, I mean, in which location we can see the triggers, so whatever the triggers you have created. So here you can see, if you expand this, here the triggers are available. So here you can see I have created 4 triggers. So let me refresh. So 4 triggers are available. How you can drop the trigger? Simply drop trigger, trigger name, whatever the triggers you have created. So here you can see one by one it's a dropping. I have created 4 triggers, so I am dropping the 4 triggers now. Yeah, 4 triggers dropped successfully. Let me refresh this. Yeah, yeah, there is no triggers. So this is about triggers concepts. So that's all about this video, guys. Thank you.